Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about what we've been talking about for the last several days, Security Week. And this topic is going to be about Windows. Now, there's a lot of things about Windows that you can do to make them more secure. Some of them look kind of ugly. Some of them you can't notice. But there are a lot of different options for making your Windows secured. Everything from the film stuff that you get that you can install yourself or get professionally installed that keeps people from breaking through the window. They'll hit it, it'll start to crack, but it stays solid, to putting up ugly looking bars and stuff over it, to the fancy decorative looking wrought iron bars and stuff over it that keep people out. They have roll down shutters that just like at some of the stores and stuff, and it keeps people from coming through. There are metal storm windows that you can close on your windows, secure from the inside, so people can't get in as well. There are a lot of options out there, and it's up to you to decide which one works best for you, because I don't know what your situation is. All I can tell you is look into it. This is a prep. Put it down in your notebook of things to do today. Do your research and figure out what's going to work for you and your budget. All right. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, other equipment you're going to need. Why? Well, this is why.